This is a quick video to show you the difference between the now and the today functions. Both return the date, but one also returns a time. So I'm going to start with the now. And it says it will return the date and time formatted as the date and time. So the now returns the date, the system date, as well as the time. So all you have to do is you can press tab twice, or you can type in the parentheses. I'll do that again real quick. So if I press tab twice, it's going to show you the two parentheses there, or you can just type those in. Okay, so notice it gives you the time and the date, whereas if I use today, it shows me today's date. So that's the difference between the time, or the today, and the now functions. You can always go in and use your formatting options to format them a little bit differently as well.